Habit 10, quality nutrition. Now, what do I mean by this? You'll find out. But first, we're going to summarise where we are and how we've got up to this habit 10 from the very beginning. So, habit 1, we had optimal hydration, where you learn all about optimal hydration, of course. Habit 2, we had the earthing, the grounding, connecting with Mother Earth. Habit 3, we had the intermittent fasting and the benefits of intermittent fasting. Number 4, we had optimal breathing and the benefits of nasal breathing and nitric oxide. Number 5, we had quality sleep and sleep hygiene. Number 6, we had regular laughter and the power on your health by laughing regularly. Number 7, we had good health regime and the power of fermented foods and whatnot. Number 8, we had regular basic exercise at number 8. Number 9, we had the power of meditation. And here we are at number 10 today at quality nutrition. Now, I have a rule of thumb, well we do, me and David have a rule of thumb. If you can't grow it or kill it, is it in tune with your body? So if you can't grow it, i.e. a vegetable or some of a tree, or you can't kill it, somewhere like a chicken or on the land, is it in tune with your body? Because it's probably processed if it's not. So that one rule of thumb, if you think about that's very powerful. And we've known for years there's something been bandied about saying you are what you eat, and that is so true. And you'll notice as we go through how true that is. Your body has 7 essential requirements. 7. Number 7, yeah? It has nutrients, vitamins, minerals, proteins, fats, water, carbohydrates, them. To function efficiently, it needs all of them. That list I've just gone through: nutrients, vitamins, minerals, proteins, fats, water and carbohydrates, to function efficiently. So you're going to need all them 7 in your diet every day to be energized and feel good. So now we're going to get onto some of what I have done a video about before in a different group. Live food, dead food. Now, what I mean by this, I'm going to show you an example. Here I have a potato. There. That is live. That is chock full with health-giving enzymes. Healthy, fibre, the skin fibre there. All the vitamins and minerals in it. Now, if I were to hold up in this hand there a potato chip or a crisp, that would be dead. It would be the same food made from potatoes, but dead, because that has been processed beyond processing. It really is the end product, you know, and it's been often baked or deep fried, you know, and it's basically dead compared with the potato, what we've got here, which is health giving. So that's live and dead food. My presentation on it, simple as that, using a potato and a potato chip or a crisp, as we say in the UK. Live food is basically some what was living before it was harvested, if you think of it that way. So it was alive, whether, you know, so it could be a cauliflower, tomato, carrots, chicken, etc. They're all pulsating with enzymes. They've all been alive and they're close to, well, they are the real McCoy, what they were when they were either cut or killed or whatever, closest too. Yeah, so you're getting a grasp now. Dead foods, right, are processed foods such as biscuits, cakes, potato chips, which we call crisps here in the UK. So the difference is a vegetable will start to spoil within days and weeks. A biscuit may last years because the ingredients in dead food have been changed from their natural state into a processed state for longevity. See, but your fresh foods aren't going to make it very long because they're natural. And now what I'm going to say between eating dead food and live food, so now you've got a grasp of this. I'd say for the stricter ones of you can make it 90-10. That's very good. Also strict is 80-20. If you can aim for 70-30, so 70% live food, 30% dead food in your diet. If you get to this stage, you're going to be quite good and quite healthy. Yeah. So if you can get to that 70 live food, 30 dead food, you'll be doing very well. I'm not asking you to give up everything. It's almost impossible with the supermarket aisles we have. Therefore, but I'm asking you to up the ante on the live food. Now also, if you remember habit 7, all them kick-ass live fermented foods in habit 7, you can add them in. All the fermented foods, add them into your live food from habit 7. Now, if you're slightly confused, basically use this rule. A potato is a live food. A crisp made from a potato is a dead food. Can you see? That's a rule of thumb. Same food, both potatoes, one's pulsing with enzymes, one is not. So, that's that. Now, I'm going to talk about alkalinity, because me and David have spoke about this over years. The pH scale goes from 1, very acidic, to 14, highly alkaline. So you've got 1 to 14. Our bodies, the human bodies, are hovering around 7.35. So that's 7.35 to 7.4 in that range. Now, according to the Nobel Prize winner, Dr. Otto Warburg, no disease, including cancer, can exist in an alkaline environment. Just take that on board. No disease, including cancer, can exist in an alkaline environment. That was found by Dr. Otto Warburg, who was a Nobel Prize winner. So this is not my saying, I'm taking it from a Nobel Prize winner. Because our modern diet can be very acidic, today's diet. Common acidic foods are processed foods, refined grains, carbonated drinks, including all energy drinks, flavoured coffees, because you've got a double whammy with your flavoured coffee. You've got refined sugar and caffeine. That's a double whammy. Artificial sweeteners, mechanically separated meats. All these are acidic. Now, let's go to alkaline foods. Let's have a look here. Lemons, watermelon, mango, papaya, asparagus, cayenne peppers, grapes, bananas, pineapple, almost all fruit and vegetables. And a drink you could drink and incorporate is apple cider vinegar. That's very alkaline if you want to bring that into your diet. That's an alkaline drink. So, you've seen that list there between the acid and the alkaline. And you think about your diet right now. Where are you on the acid alkaline? Now we're going to talk about some brain foods, because some foods are very good for your brain. I love dark chocolate, not many people do, but the flavonoids in dark chocolate encourage neuron and blood vessel growth. That's the first one of the brain enhancing foods. Turmeric helps you digest fats, so the spice turmeric helps you digest fats and stabilizes your blood sugar as well. So that's the power of turmeric. Berries, all berries, blueberries, strawberries, any berry, goji berries, all berries across the berry range are found to improve communication between brain cells. So that's your berries. Every one of them good for your brain. Now eggs, yes, eggs. Recent research has found that eggs can delay cognitive decline. So, the humble egg as a brain food. Now, nutritional supplements we'll go on to now. I'll recommend a few, what I use. Himalayan rock salt. Why do I use this? Because it supports electrolyte balance in my body. When I'm fasting, I drink this as well. Organic inulin. Inulin. INUILIN. Inulin. It's high fibre powder. It's made from the Jerusalem artichoke. And it is fantastic for digestive health. It's off the charts, actually. I use it in smoothies. I make my smoothies high fibre by incorporating inulin into them. That's where I use it. Now, chia seeds, they're jam-packed with all sorts of goodness, especially omega-3. If you don't like fish, there's a way in here. If you can't eat the fish with the omega-3 in, chia seeds have got the omega-3. Flax seeds as well, omega-3. This is like a vegetarian way in, if you can't eat the omega-3 fish. Vitamin C, without a doubt, because that'll ward off colds and sniffs. I use vitamin C. And yeah, so there's a lovely list of things you can incorporate into your diet. And obviously nutritional supplements, what I've just mentioned. Now, what I want you to do now, after listening to me and taking this on board, is do further research yourselves. Research this further. This is how I found out by research. I've done a lot of research. Review your own shopping list and have a look. What is a live food in there? Closest to its original state is a good rule of thumb. So closest to its original state. And think about your alkalinity balance. You know, where are you in your acidic foods to your alkaline foods? Think where you are there. Are you glugging loads of energy drinks non-stop and making an acid bomb in your stomach? Are you doing that? You know, get some water incorporated alongside them energy drinks, at least, yeah? Yeah, you don't have to give up everything. Work with your body, and this stuff, you know, is magic, water. We're made from water, we're not made from energy drinks, are we? We're not made from them, we are made from water. So any young people listening to this, I'd like you to start incorporating water into your diets. Yeah, thank you. I know you'll do it. Anyway, thank you for listening, and that was Habit 10. And I can't talk on here. All right, but bear with me, I will do, right? What is flour and butter? Right. Flour, what do you make with flour? Biscuits, highly processed. Yeah, it's nothing like it was at the beginning. So it's a processed food because all the biscuits are made from it. So butter, you're closer to its original state. So that is closer to the dairy end, butter. But flour's certainly really far down the processing state. So, have you got it now, Jill? Thank you. Yeah, so how processed are they along the process line? How far? Yeah, how far? Yeah, down the process line. That's how you, when I mentioned this, you know, how far it is down the process line. So your own research, look at your own fridge, look in your fridge, look in your daily or weekly shopping. And are you loading up on acid, or are you balancing the alkaline with the acid and getting an even sort of mix? You know, and because this stuff's alkaline, there, water, alkalinity, yeah. So you're welcome, and thank you for listening to this, and I'll be back tomorrow with Habit 11. Thank you.